Good evening, friends. Today I have come up with some expressions like thank you, sorry, please, excuse me, pardon. These are some of the expressions that will make our life very easy in our day to day life. For example, when we get a favor from someone, we say thank you very much. Your daddy gives you something, thank you, daddy. Mummy gives you something, thank you, mummy. Your teacher gives you something, thank you, teacher. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sister. So there are umpteen number of occasions in our life to say thank you, thank you, thank you. When we thank someone, what happens? The person becomes very happy. The person who thanks, at the same time, the one who receives thanks also become very happy. So in our day-to-day life, we use this word thank you on many occasions. When we go to a shop, the shopkeeper gives us something. We pay the money and we get it. We say thank you very much. Somebody vacated a seat in the bus and gave the seat to us. Thank you very much. So a lot of occasions are there. In the morning, the wife gives a cup of tea to the husband, to the members of the family. So the husband says, thank you very much. Thank you, darling. Thank you, dear. So she became very happy. When you get a cup of tea from your mother, you say, thank you, mommy. Thank you, mom. So these are occasions when we have to say thank you. So this make us very happy. The next word is sorry. When do we say sorry? When we feel that we have offended somebody, we have committed a mistake, we say sorry. Sorry for being late. I'm late. Sorry for keeping you waiting. I'm sorry. Who broke the glass? Oh, mummy, by mistake. I broke the glass. I am very sorry about it. So there are many occasions where you have to use the word sorry. Once you say sorry, somebody you use your elbow and hit someone. It may be by mistake, but instead of turning away, you say, "Oh, gentleman, madam, lady, I am sorry. I am sorry." So the person whom we have hurt becomes slightly loose, at the same time be pleased. They may not get angry with us. Instead of saying sorry, you turn away, they will feel very bad and very sad and they get offended. He says, the gentleman hit me, but he does not say sorry. So, whenever we feel that we have committed a mistake, we have offended someone, please say sorry. Don't hesitate for that. The next expression is please. Please sit down. Please take your seat. Please come in. Thank you for coming. Please do come again. So we can use this word please. Please get out of the class. The teacher says the student for committing some mistakes or something. The teacher says please leave the class. Please stop. The police says the bike man, the rider, the motorist. Please stop. Please come out. The word please pleases everybody. The next word is, the next expression is excuse me. When do we say excuse me? Usually we say excuse me to draw somebody's attention. See, for example, a student goes to the principal's office and the principal is doing some work and then knocking on, excuse me ma'am, excuse me sister, excuse me sir. So after drawing the attention, you say good morning, good afternoon, whatever may be, the time bidding is important. Excuse me. So drawing the attention. When we are sitting at the table and while after having your food, you are leaving the table and you say that the person who was next to you, excuse me, please. Then the other man says, please. That means you please leave, no problem. At the bus stand, at the bus stop, you would like to talk to somebody or you would like to ask somebody some question, please. Excuse me, gentlemen, can I catch a bus to Ernakulam from here? Oh no, you have to go to the other stop. So excuse me. So we use this word excuse me to draw somebody's attention. Also one thing, when there are one or two people are standing in a veranda or corridor, you have to move a bit forward, but these people are a hindrance. At that time you can say, excuse me please. So they move and you go. When you are getting out of a bus, somebody is standing at the door, excuse me please. So that person moves a little. And these are occasions where we have to use excuse me. The next expression is pardon. Pardon. Pardon simply means please forgive me. When a teacher talks something and you could not get it, you say pardon teacher, pardon ma'am, pardon sir, pardon sister. Also you can say, I beg your pardon, I beg your pardon, I beg your pardon. I request you that you may forgive me and repeat the thing which you have already said once again. So that is pardon. Also you can use the word expression to ask for forgiveness. Pardon me. I have committed that mistake. Please pardon me. I won't repeat it. So these are some of the expressions I would like to teach you. I would like to talk to you today to make our life very easy. Thank you. Sorry. Please. Excuse me. Pardon. Thank you. Sorry. Please. Excuse me. Pardon. Of course, for today, this is enough. I shall come up with some other topic sometime later on. Until then, goodbye.